This swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust spans a staggering 100,000 light-years across. And remember, a single light-year is about 6 trillion miles. Think about that for a moment. Finally, we expanded our view to encompass the observable universe, a sphere with a diameter of 93 billion light-years, filled with billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? The vastness of the universe indeed stretches far beyond human comprehension. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos and the infinite possibilities that space holds. In the grand scheme of things, the universe is vast, incomprehensibly so. It's a sea of galaxies, stars, and cosmic wonders beyond our wildest dreams. As we begin to explore, prepare to have your mind blown by the sheer scale of the cosmos. Imagine standing on Earth, looking up at the moon. Now picture this. The distance from our planet to that celestial body is a staggering 238,855 miles. That's nearly 10 times the circumference of our Earth. If you were to hop on a car, traveling at a steady 60 miles per hour, it would take you almost 7 months to reach the moon without any pit stops. If we were to lay out this distance in terms of New York to Los Angeles round trips, you'd be making that journey about 40 times. However, let's put this into a broader perspective. If the Earth was the size of a basketball, the moon would be akin to a tennis ball, and they'd be around 24 feet apart. Now, consider that this is just our closest celestial neighbor, and yet, this distance is a mere drop in the cosmic ocean. Venturing beyond our moon, we reach the outer limits of our solar system. Here, nestled within the cosmic neighborhood, we find the last of our planetary siblings, Neptune. A gas giant, it's a world of mystery and intrigue shrouded in a thick blue atmosphere. Now let's put things into perspective. We've all grown up learning that the moon is, on average, about 238,855 miles away from Earth. That's a distance our Apollo astronauts covered in just about 3 days. But how far is Neptune from us? Neptune orbits the Sun at an average distance of approximately 2.8 billion miles. That's not a typo. Billion with a B. If you were to drive from Earth to Neptune at a steady pace of 60 miles per hour, it would take you about 5,300 years to reach Neptune. Yes, that's longer than the entire recorded history of human civilization. And here's another mind-boggling fact. The distance from Earth to Neptune is over 11,000 times the distance from Earth to the Moon. If the Earth-Moon distance were scaled down to 1 inch, the Earth-Neptune distance would stretch out to over 900 feet. That's taller than the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. In essence, the sheer size of our solar system is staggering. And yet it's just a tiny fraction of the Milky Way, our home galaxy. The distances within our solar system, although vast, are minuscule in comparison to the distances between the stars in our galaxy. Venturing beyond Neptune, we would still have to traverse the Kuiper Belt, a region of space filled with icy bodies, before finally leaving the gravitational influence of our Sun. Still, our solar system is just a tiny corner in our galaxy. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is a colossal structure. A sprawling cosmic city, the Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, a shape that resembles a spinning pinwheel. It's not alone in this shape. About 2/3 of all known galaxies have the same structure. At the heart of our galaxy is a bulging core, a dense hub teeming with stars and dust. This core is surrounded by a flat disk, which is where our solar system resides, and 4 major spiral arms that curve outward, forming the iconic spiral shape. These arms are akin to cosmic neighborhoods, filled with star systems, nebulae, and all sorts of celestial matter. The enormity of the Milky Way is staggering. Its span stretches over 100,000 light-years in diameter. To put this into perspective, if the solar system was the size of a quarter, the Milky Way would be equivalent to the size of North America. Our galaxy is incredibly populous, housing an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars. That's a figure so grand that if you tried to count them all, counting 1 star per second, it would take you around 10,000 years to finish. And among these billions of stars, our Sun, the star at the heart of our solar system, is just one, a tiny speck within the vast cosmic metropolis. Yet, the contents of the Milky Way are not just limited to stars. There's an abundance of interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. There's also the supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, lurking at the center, around which the galaxy rotates. This grandeur and complexity of the Milky Way is humbling. It's a testament to the immense scale and beauty of the cosmos. However, it's crucial to remember that our galaxy is not an anomaly. It's not unique in its size or structure or population. It's one among an estimated 2 trillion galaxies populating the observable universe. Yet, the Milky Way is just one among billions of galaxies in the universe. Beyond our galaxy lies the vast expanse of the observable universe. This is where our journey takes us now. The observable universe is the cosmic bubble we find ourselves in. It's all that we can see of the cosmos, bounded not by walls or fences, but by the speed of light and the age of the universe. Light from the farthest reaches has been traveling for about 13.8 billion years to reach our eyes. So how big is this cosmic bubble? You might wonder. The answer is mind-boggling. It's estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's the distance light would travel in 93 billion years. Now that's a road trip even the most seasoned traveler would balk at. And remember our Milky Way, that gigantic cosmic city of stars we call home? It's a mere 100,000 light-years across. Comparing the size of the observable universe to the size of the Milky Way is like comparing the size of the entire Earth to a small coin. It's a humbling comparison, reminding us of our tiny yet significant place in the cosmos. But here's another staggering fact. This vast observable universe is teeming with galaxies. Each one a bustling metropolis of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. The current estimate? There are about 2 trillion galaxies within our cosmic horizon. That's more than 20 times the number of people on Earth. Each galaxy is a unique island universe with its own history, structure, and myriad of celestial bodies. Yet, for all its vastness and grandeur, the observable universe is just that, observable. It's only a portion of the entire universe, whose true size remains unknown, possibly infinite. It's a concept that stretches our imagination to its limits and reminds us of the grand scale of the cosmos. But remember, the observable universe is just a fraction of the entire universe. So, as we stand on the shores of the cosmic ocean, we realize that our journey has only just begun. So, how vast is the universe in reality? Well, let's take a step back and recap what we've learned. We began our journey with the Earth to the Moon distance, a mere 238,905 miles. This distance, which took the Apollo astronauts 3 days to travel, is but a tiny fraction of the universe's expanse. We then ventured beyond, to the breadth of our own solar system, stretching over 5 billion miles from the Sun to the outer reaches of the Kuiper Belt. Our solar system is a celestial marvel. Yet it's just a pinprick in the cosmic canvas.